So this is how to buy dollars using cheaper cash. So if you're looking for how you can buy dollars using Naira inside of cheaper cash, this video is going to simply guide you on how to do it. So the first step is obviously to have a cheaper cash account. So if you don't know how to do that, I already have a video that tells you how to do that. But just download the app, install it, and create an account, verify, and you should be good to go. So the way cheaper cash works is this. At least recently, you have two bank accounts. You have the Naira, which is NGN, and you have the USD, which is the United States dollars. So the way to buy dollar with cheaper cash is we want to use Naira to buy dollars. So the first step is to click on the Naira account and you come here where it says add cash and you copy this. All right, you copy this. This is a Naira account. You need to first send Naira, the Naira that you want to use to buy your dollars, to this account. So this is their bank, 9 Payment Service Bank. If you search for it in the app, in your own bank app, you find it. So you send the amount you want to convert or to use to buy dollars. So the moment you do that, your Naira is going to show right here. So if you click on this again, you see this convert. So you click on convert and you can convert your Naira to dollars. So this is how you basically buy dollars inside of cheaper cash. So to do this, let's say you have Naira already. You can say you want to, let's say you want to convert 5 or 10,000 Naira to dollars. This is the total amount is going to get you in the US dollars, and that is because cheaper cash is charging you 775 Naira to $1. If you are okay with this, you can click on continue, but I do not have up to 10,000 Naira, so I cannot continue. So if you had up to 10,000 Naira, it's just going to convert this to you, which becomes $5.63. So this is the first way to buy dollars inside of cheaper cash. So let me show you another way, which is if you have a cheaper cash dollar card, you come to card here, and this is the USD card. You can click on top up, and then you can click the source of the fund. So let's say we want to use Naira again. So you come here, you click on Naira, and then again, this is the same amount. So let's say you want to fund 17,500 or whatever. So you can click on top up, and it's going to give you a review of what you are going to get. So you are going to get $9.88, and this is the source of funds. So you can click on confirm again, and it's going to buy the dollars for you. So this part, the dollar is going to stay in on your card, your dollar card. However, you can withdraw it if you wanted. So if you wanted to withdraw the dollars from this your card back to your dollar account or to your Naira account, you can come here, click on withdraw, and then you can select the withdrawal destination. In this case, either your Nigerian account or your USD account. Let's say our USD account, but I currently do not have any USD account with cheaper cash. But if I had, you can just come here, select the amount you want to withdraw in dollars. So this is the amount, but I don't have up to that amount, and then you are going to see the fees. But let's switch it to Naira. So if I switch it to Naira, and then let's say I want to withdraw $1, I will equally see how much I am going to be able to withdraw. So for the Naira account, it's basically free, and you can see the rates they are buying from us. So we are basically selling our dollars to them by withdrawing it. So this is basically how you can buy dollars inside of cheaper cash, or how you can withdraw your dollars inside of cheaper cash. And I hope this video helps you. Like the video, subscribe if it helps you. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.